Welcome to the United States of Islam Medical News Channel. It has been reported quite recently about anti-tumor carrier and peptide development in 2023, saying that in anti-tumor carriers and peptides, improving cancer treatment. Cancer is a devastating disease that claims the lives of millions of people worldwide each year. While advancements have been made in cancer treatment, such as surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy, there are still limitations to their effectiveness. Chemotherapy, in particular, faces challenges due to the insolubility and instability of drugs, as well as non-specific delivery and limited access to tumor sites. However, recent research in the field of drug delivery has focused on developing anti-tumor carriers, such as peptides, to overcome these limitations and improve cancer treatment. What is an antineoplastic drug carrier? The way a drug is administered or delivered directly impacts its benefits. Drug carriers play a crucial role in drug metabolism, absorption, distribution, and therapeutic effect. Researchers have explored various drug carriers, including peptide molecules, hydrogels, liposomes, polymer micelles, carbon nanotubes, graphene oxides, silicon dioxide, and gold nanoparticles. Among these carriers, peptides have gained significant attention in recent years due to their ability to modify and encapsulate drugs, leading to targeted drug delivery, sustained drug release, improved solubility and bioavailability, and reduced side effects. Peptides as antineoplastic drug carriers. Peptides are compounds formed by linking alpha amino acids with peptide chains. They are widely present in living organisms and serve as structural fragments of proteins, active groups for protein function, and important substances for human body metabolism and regulation. Peptides possess simple molecular structures, diversity, ease of improvement, and relative stability. They can self-assemble into polypeptide nanotubes through non-covalent bonds like electrostatic interactions and hydrogen bonds. These unique characteristics make peptides ideal building blocks for nanodevices and effective carriers for drugs and genes. As carriers, peptides offer advantages such as high transport efficiency, low toxicity, no size limitations for carried substances, no inflammatory response, and precise control over substance entry into cells. These properties make peptides widely applicable in drug delivery. Self-assembled polypeptide nanocarrier particles have distinct advantages over other carriers. The simple sequences and unique mechanisms of these peptides facilitate control and research on peptide assembly. Complementary ionic bonds form stable polypeptide membranes, while the beta sheet nanostructures of peptides allow interaction with both hydrophilic and hydrophobic molecules. Furthermore, these peptides exhibit good biocompatibility with minimal immune response in animal bodies. Nanoparticles as anti-tumor drug carriers. In addition to peptides, nanoparticles have emerged as promising anti-tumor drug carriers. Nanoparticles can be targeted through surface modification or the use of special materials, enhancing the absorption of insoluble drugs and improving drug bioavailability. They can be prepared through physical, chemical, or physiochemical methods, with physical methods being the most commonly used. Popular nanoparticle drug carriers include polymer micelles, nanoliposomes, mesoporous silica, and gold nanoparticles. Gold nanoparticles, ONs, are particularly noteworthy due to their low toxicity, good biocompatibility, and ease of surface functionalization. Their unique physical, chemical, and optical properties have led to their widespread use in medical imaging and cancer treatment. Conclusion. Researchers have made significant progress in studying drug carrier materials, expanding their types, improving their intelligence, and promoting their application in anti-tumor drug therapy. However, further research is needed to enhance the stability, uniformity, and safety of anti-tumor drug carrier materials for their successful clinical application. In conclusion, anti-tumor carriers, such as peptides and nanoparticles, hold great promise in improving cancer treatment. These carriers offer targeted drug delivery, sustained release, improved solubility and bioavailability, and reduced side effects. Continued research and development in this field will contribute to more effective and personalized cancer therapies. Thanks for watching with us. Come again to visit us.